Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account to this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find either users and accounts or Google. Let me choose this one and here simply tap on add account. Now choose on Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Of course, you will have to confirm it with your screen lock. Now you have to choose who's going to use this device. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly and tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and here you've got the info and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. Of course, confirm everything. And we just successfully removed our Google account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.